In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a trade in the Exness terminal. First, log into your account, head to your personal area, and launch the Exness terminal. This brings you to the trading interface where you'll do everything from charting to placing orders. If you use extra security like two-factor authentication, complete that as usual, then make sure your connection is stable before moving on. Once the terminal loads, give it a moment to sync prices so you're seeing real-time data. Next, choose the market you want to trade. Open the Markets tab and browse through the categories such as Forex, crypto, or stocks. If you already know the symbol, use the search bar to find it quickly. Click the instrument to pull up its chart and details. Take a moment to look at the spread and current price action so you understand the conditions you're trading. You can switch time frames to get a sense of both the bigger trend and the short-term momentum. When you're ready, open the order ticket by clicking Buy if you expect price to rise or Sell if you expect it to fall. This action doesn't execute the trade yet, it just opens the ticket so you can set your parameters. Confirm you're on the correct instrument by double-checking the symbol at the top of the ticket. Now set your trade size in the volume field. Volume is expressed in lots, for example 0.1 lots or 1 lot. The larger the lot size, the greater your exposure, potential profit, and potential loss. If you're unsure, start smaller and scale up as you gain confidence. Keep an eye on any margin impact shown on the ticket so you understand how much of your account is being used to support the position. Before placing the trade, you can set a stop loss and a take profit. These are optional but highly recommended for risk management. A stop loss automatically closes the position if price moves against you beyond a level you choose, while a take profit secures gains at your target price. Place them at logical levels based on recent highs, lows, or key support and resistance, and make sure the risk to reward makes sense for your strategy. Finally, review everything one last time, the instrument, direction, volume, and any stop loss or take profit, and click Confirm to place the trade. You'll see the position appear in your terminal with live profit and loss updates. That's it, you've placed a trade in the Exness terminal clearly and confidently.